Papa, I'm tired of running out of propane. It's cold.
Well, we're going to fix that today with the Mopeka LPG tank monitor.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Christian.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life.
We decided to live our dream today and now and not wait till tomorrow or someday. We do the research on RV related products and how-tos and bring you the best that we find scouring the internet.
And if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell while you're down there and be notified of any future videos. So what are we doing today, Papa?
Today we're going to install the Mopeka LPG tank monitor. It's really simple to install and easy to use. So why don't you stick around? Let's go have some fun. Have you ever run out of propane and it's really cold out and the furnace isn't working? Or if you're running your fridge on propane a lot, really not a good idea to run out of propane with a lot of food in it. The Mopeka propane tank monitoring system was the best and most common solution that we actually found on the internet. The complete kit comes with a wall monitor and 2 sensors that go underneath the propane tanks. You can also get 1 or 2 individual tank sensors, and then there is an app you can check the levels of the propane wirelessly through your phone. We've included links of all the different options where you can get the whole kit with the wall monitor, the sensors, or individually. So we have one for the whole kit, we have one for just the 2 sensors, and we have a link for individual sensors. So have a look at that in the description below. We chose to go with the whole kit because we like the idea of the convenience of just getting up and pressing the button and checking the levels of propane. So let's do some unboxing here. It's a very, very simple kit to install. So you have the 2 tank monitors, and they're magnetic. Tank 1 and 2. The wall monitor with tank 1 and 2. Little clips that go under the rim of the bottom of the propane tank to actually lift it just enough so that these sensors can clip on the bottom of the tank. And the screws to install the wall monitor. Very, very simple kit. At the time of filming, the cost of the entire kit with the wall and the 2 sensors was around $100 US or around $160 Canadian. If you're looking for an individual sensor, just 1 tank with the Bluetooth, that was running around $40 US, $60 Canadian. And for just 2 monitors, that was running at about $70 US and 110 Canadian. We've included the links below with all these options on Amazon. So let's go install this in the EagleCap 1200. But first, why don't you let us know how you monitor your propane? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so in the Google Play Store, you type Mopeca, and Mopeca tank check comes in as a search, but the app seems to be right there, tank check. So we'll install that. Open. Okay, location service, allow. You need to create an account. So I'm registering an account under Tumbleweed. This way you can check propane levels from different phones by logging in with the same account. Verification code. So now we sync. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So the first one was tank 1, the second one is tank 2. I plan to put tank 2 in the back as the reserve. I will go into the first tank, and up here is the settings. It is in fact a 20-pound tank, but here we can actually give it a name, so I will just call it tank 1. Tank 1. Okay, Canada. Go. Alarm threshold 20%. Update rate every 10.5 seconds. Okay, so that should be good. And then we'll back out of there. We'll go to tank 2, settings, 20 pounds, and I will change that to tank 2. Good. We'll back out of there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the sensor on the other tank and put the tanks back. Actually, before I put the tanks back, I'll put the sensors on, turn them right side up, and make sure that they're reading properly. It's the same trick with the wall mount sensor. You press the button once and it starts to flash. You press the sensor and as soon as it stops flashing, then they're synced. Just repeat with sensor 2. Put the sensors back on the bottom of the tank. It takes a little bit. It took me a minute or two, and now I try it again. And you press. And in fact, tank 1 is almost empty. And tank 2 is full. So it works. I'll be able to install this inside on the wall. Tanks are back in. It's done. Now let's go install the sensor inside. Okay, so I think we'll install it right here above the thermostat. Get these started a bit. There we go. And there it is, just above the thermostat. And it works perfect.
Good news, everyone!
We've been approached by a company that is launching a new RV-related products. They are RVers that have designed a product for RVers. And the launch is coming in the next few weeks. You'll want to stay tuned for that. We've been approached along with 4 other channels to do an installation and review and performance test of this new product. And what's really exciting is that we're going to be giving away a unit. Actually, every channel is going to be giving away a unit. So you'll want to stay tuned over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to have a formal announcement in the next couple of weeks, and we'll be able to reveal all the details. In the meantime, stay tuned.
Don't forget to hit that bell
to be notified of our next few videos. So we hope you enjoyed this video on the propane monitoring system. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing by hitting the big red button at the bottom and hitting the bell to be notified for future notifications. If you know someone that would be interested in our videos, please consider sharing it now.
and feel free to follow our journey on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
And in the meantime, we'll catch you on the next one.